One thing I love about iOS is how easy they make it to check your battery health. Just go to Settings and then go to Battery. You'll see some usage statistics, and if you scroll down a bit, you can view your battery health. The main number to pay attention to is maximum capacity. This percentage compares your battery's current ability to hold a charge versus when it was brand new. So, a phone at 100% can still hold a full charge like a brand new phone, while lower numbers mean the battery has physically aged and can't store as much power anymore. In my case, this phone is sitting at 71% maximum capacity, which means the battery can only hold about 71% of the charge it originally could. That usually shows up as shorter battery life and faster drops in percentage. Apple generally considers a battery significantly worn once it drops to 80% or below. If you're under AppleCare Plus, that 80% threshold is typically when Apple will replace the battery at no cost. Without AppleCare, the battery isn't replaced automatically, but Apple will still recommend a replacement because performance and reliability can start to suffer below that level. So anything around 80% or lower, like this phone here, is well past the point where a battery replacement will make a noticeable difference in daily use, even if the phone itself still feels fast. And that's battery life on an iPhone. I just recently got a battery replaced on my wife's iPhone 12, and it definitely improved the user experience a ton and allows her to keep that phone for another couple of years at least. Click that like button if this was helpful, and check out my iOS playlist for more simple guides like this.